If you're a spiritual entrepreneur just starting out in your business and are looking for ways to stay sane while trying to run a spiritual business, here are 5 simple hacks for a radiant spiritual entrepreneur that I use to guide me towards radiant success. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. Over 16 years ago, I began my journey as a spiritual entrepreneur. I was filled with excitement and a little trepidation. At that time, I had just lost my job that I've been at for 7 years and needed to look for another job right away because I had a mortgage, I had children, and lease for a car, the whole 9 yards. I spent a few years working odd jobs just to make ends meet while I looked for a more permanent situation. It took a little while for me to realize that the door of being an employee was closed to me forever, pretty much. There was no going back through that door. After a series of trying multiple businesses, trying them, stopping, and not working, I finally found a business path that resonated with me. And that's when I began growing my healing practice. Starting and growing any business is overwhelming, or it can feel like that. Along the way, I discovered the magic of blending passion with purpose with spirituality. Right now, I'm on a new leg of my journey, and this is what I do to fulfill my soulful path. Hack number 1, I set daily intentions. I start my day with clear intentions. It wasn't always like this. I now know how crucial it is for my spiritual growth and my business success. I begin every morning by waking up and taking deep breaths and setting my intention for the day. One of my favorite rising rituals is to start my day with gratitude. Before getting out of bed, I would take a moment to appreciate all the wonderful things that I've been blessed with in my life. Then I would set my intention and visualize how I want my day to go. I would visualize how I want my day to go, exactly the steps that I would take, and just picture from start to finish what I would be doing. Intentions, I realize, are like seeds that you plant in the soil of the universe. When you set positive intentions, you align your energy with the outcome that you desire, making it more likely for them to manifest. Hack number 2, mindfulness meditation. In the chaotic world of business, it's easy to lose yourself. I discovered that mindfulness and meditation is a way that I can anchor myself and keep myself grounded. By practicing mindfulness in my workday and incorporating meditation breaks, mindfulness, I find, is about being present and being fully engaged in the moment. It helps me to reduce stress, stay calm, which improves my overall clarity and decision-making abilities. This practice helps me to connect deeply with my inner self. Practicing this helps me to connect with my inner wisdom, which helps me to navigate all the different aspects of my life. Hack number 3, balancing work and self-care. As spiritual entrepreneurs, it's vital to remember that you are not just your business. I realized the importance of nurturing myself. I understand that neglecting my self-care can lead to burnout and hinder my ability to serve my purpose fully. I now prioritize self-care in my daily activities that I incorporate throughout my workday. Things like going for a walk around the neighborhood, listening to music, or just simply lying down and just taking a moment to myself to regroup and reground myself. I realize that this helps me to refuel and replenish my energy. Hack number 4, cultivating a soulful workspace. I have to admit, I'm a clutterbug, and most of the time my workspace looks like a hurricane went through it, and I'm working on that. I'm working on being less cluttery. Now I know that my workspace is not just a physical space. It's a reflection of what's happening on the inside. And so with that in mind, I realize that I have to keep it neat and tidy. If you look around your space and everything is out of place and it's all messy and it's all jumbled up, that is a physical representation of what's happening on the inside. And when you're anxious and you're upset or you're stressed or anything like that, take a look around and see if what you're looking at is similar. And if it is, tidying up and cleaning up and putting things in their place is the best way to change whatever's happening on the inside very quickly. I understand that creating a soulful workspace helps me to stay creative and to be productive and have an overall feeling of well-being. I adorn my workspace with elements that resonate with my spirituality, such as crystals and plants and inspirational quotes or motivating quotes that help me to stay focused on the things that I want to stay focused on. I surround myself with these reminders to keep me connected to my purpose throughout the workday, allowing me to channel my creativity effortlessly. Hack number 5, nurture intuition and trust the flow. I discovered my intuition was a powerful guide on my entrepreneurial journey. So I'm learning to nurture my intuitive abilities through practices like journaling, meditation, and spending time outdoors. The more I listen to my inner voice, the stronger it gets. I'm also learning the importance of trusting the flow of the universal energy. Even though I can't control aspects of my business, I realize that I can tap into opportunities and growth. Through these 5 powerful hacks, I've discovered the key to infusing my business with soulful purpose and abundance. Every day, I start with conscious intentions, practice mindfulness to stay grounded, prioritize self-care, create a soulful workspace, and trust my intuition to guide me. As I continue my path as a spiritual entrepreneur, I understand that my spiritual growth and business success are intrinsically connected. With unwavering determination and an open heart, my entrepreneurial adventures are just beginning. I'm embracing my journey with joy and fulfillment and an abundance mindset, knowing that my success might inspire others on their spiritual journey. As my business flourishes and my purpose grows stronger, I will strive to become a shining example of what could be achieved when passion, spirituality, and entrepreneurship merges. Download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the bell for my upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.